Well, hello. Those of you don't know me, I am your home cook Joy, and this is my rasoi where I'm gonna make this lovely spicy mutton masala simple for both of us. So I have taken about 1 kg of mutton, very big, nice, diced, thick cubes of mutton, and a couple of bones just for a stock. You can use meat stock, but I like to use bone. 1 spoon of ginger and some onion, and boil it really well, just about 45 minutes to 60 minutes. It needs to be spongy and not mushy, as you can see. And I am going to cook the same time when the mutton is boiling. Everything else I'm gonna prepare while mutton is boiling. So here I'm preparing 2 spoon of lovely and spicy mutton masala, as you can see, but equally you can just take a 2 or 3 spoon of ready-made mutton masala, but I prefer, for this recipe, I prefer to make mutton masala myself. So there we go, nice and grind fine powder. And then we'll heat up the oil and some curry leaves if you have some, and some mustard seeds to go with it. Make sure the oil is nice and hot, and add about 3 to 4 onions, white or red, doesn't really matter. Add the salt straight away so the onion can cook faster. And once onions are nice and golden brown, add some ginger garlic paste. Mix it well, and then our own mutton masala you can add as well. Let it cook a little bit because we use all the whole spice and they were not cooked, so let them cook first, and then we'll add all the powder spice. As you can see the measurement on the screen, we'll add all those spices and mix it really well. Now you can adjust your measurement in here about garam masala and chili powder. If you want to have less heat, you can adjust that accordingly. Half a spoon of red chili if you wanted, or 1 spoon of garam masala. That's paprika, just to add bit of color in there, because I'm not gonna add any artificial color. That's the Kashmiri red chili powder. The oil separate from this mixture a little bit, and if it's sticking or burning, just add some water to it. I'm gonna add the chopped tomatoes, so I don't need to add any water. I'm gonna mix the chopped tomatoes really well. Equally you can use a fresh tomato, nothing wrong with that. I'm gonna add, once the mixture is ready, as you can see, nice and spicy curry, you can see it's ready already. I'm gonna add some shredded coconut, dried coconut, and some yogurt as well, thick yogurt ideally if you can. Mix it really well, and there we go. That's our sauce. Our curry sauce is ready for our spicy mutton masala. So now I'm just gonna add the boiled mutton into the curry sauce and mix it really well and let it simmer for good 5 to 10 minutes. And mind you, you know that I've been cooking this curry sauce while the mutton was boiling, so I started cooking this curry sauce just about 30 minutes before I opened the pressure cooker. I'm gonna add water from the boil to have my really flavorful stock, rather than just a clean water. So add water as much you like, depending on the consistency of gravy you prefer, thick, watery. I prefer this consistency, so I'm gonna keep it this way. I'm gonna let it simmer with some coriander and rest. Always rest your curry before you serve for good 15 minutes at the least. And there we go, lovely and spicy mutton masala. We would have murders in India for that lovely bone there. We love our bone marrow. There we go, mutton masala. Please let me know in the comment section how did you find this recipe, and yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.